A blessed Sunday to you all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious split pea soup in the crock pot. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have my ground provisions, which are eddos, cassava or yuca, some sweet potatoes and some plantains. For the meats, I have some chuck roast beef and cowfoot or cowheel. I also will be using some split peas, which I've been soaking overnight. And I have some carrots. I'll be using rosemary, thyme, parsley, and scallion. I have some onions, celery, bell peppers, and garlic. And for my seasoning, I have mushroom seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, seasoned salt, and some sazon. So the first thing I did was place my meat into a pot of water and allow this to boil for about 20 minutes. I want to remove the impurities from the meat before I get started. So once the impurities have risen to the top, what we'll do is go ahead and drain this, wash the meat real well, and I'll show you what we'll do next. Next, you want to place your meat into the crock pot, and we place that down to the bottom because it takes the longest to cook. Then we will add our ground provisions, go in with our split peas. Basically we're adding all our ingredients to the crock pot, and once the ingredients are added, we'll go ahead and start adding some hot water. You want to add hot water to speed up the cooking process. And lastly, we will add our seasoning to add flavor and taste to the meal, and we will give it a little stir, make sure it's nicely combined. Then we will cover and let this simmer on high heat for about 6 hours. So soup is not completed without some dumplings. So the last 30 minutes of cooking, I will place some dumplings in here and we will cover and allow it to go for, like I said, 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. And after about 6 hours in total, the soup is finally done. It looks and smells absolutely divine. It was so easy to put together if you're willing to wait for about 6 hours. You can just prepare this early in the morning and have it going all day until dinner time and you're all set. So here you have it, my version of a Guyanese style split pea soup in the crock pot. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.